Certainly. Once upon a time, in a mysterious forest, lived a brave and clever girl named Alya. This forest was full of fantastical creatures and unknown dangers, but Alya was always eager to explore every corner. One day, as she ventured deep into the heart of the forest, she sensed an eerie presence. Suddenly, two enormous beings emerged, the giant rat king and the snake king. These rulers of the forest were malevolent creatures, and their appearance brought unease and chaos. The giant rat king and the snake king spotted Alya and swiftly surrounded her. The giant rat king roared menacingly, while the snake king coiled around her, ready to strike. Alya knew she had to handle the situation carefully, or else the beautiful forest would face a grave threat. With calm determination, Alya began observing the relationship between the giant rat king and the snake king. She discovered that these two evil rulers were not the best of friends. Instead, they harbored animosity due to power struggles and territorial disputes. Alya decided to exploit this weakness. Alya first approached the giant rat king and skillfully convinced him that the snake king had been scheming behind his back, attempting to seize his territory. Simultaneously, she discreetly communicated with the snake king, claiming that the giant rat king was planning a devastating attack. In this way, she successfully instigated a conflict between the two malevolent rulers. Before long, the giant rat king and the snake king erupted into a fierce quarrel, accusing each other of betrayal. The situation escalated rapidly, and Alya took advantage of the chaos to slip away into the depths of the forest, far from the ongoing dispute. As she made her escape, the giant rat king and the snake king, consumed by their mutual animosity, had completely forgotten about pursuing her. Their attention was solely focused on each other, leading to a violent confrontation. Eventually, due to their mutual attacks, both evil rulers met their demise. When the battle subsided, Alya reappeared. Through her wisdom and courage, she successfully lured the giant rat king and the snake king into attacking each other, restoring peace to the forest. Her intelligence and decisiveness not only protected herself but also saved the entire forest from impending danger. From that day forward, Alya became the guardian of the forest, and her story was told as a symbol of courage and wisdom.
很久很久以前，在一片神秘的森林中，住着一个勇敢而机智的女孩，名叫艾丽亚。这片森林是一个充满奇幻生物和未知危险的地方，但艾丽亚却总是乐于冒险，探索着每一片角落。有一天，当她深入森林的心脏地带，她突然感受到一阵诡异的气息。眼前突然浮现出两个庞大的生物，一个是大老鼠王，另一个是蛇王。这两位森林的统治者都是邪恶的生物，他们的出现带来了不安和混乱。大老鼠王和蛇王发现了艾丽亚的存在，他们迅速将她围了起来。大老鼠王凶猛地吼叫，而蛇王则盘绕着她，准备发动攻击。艾丽亚知道她必须小心应对，否则这片美丽的森林将受到严重的威胁。艾丽亚沉着冷静，她开始观察大老鼠王和蛇王之间的关系。她发现这两位邪恶的统治者并不是最好的朋友，而是因为权力和领土而产生了嫌隙。于是，她决定利用这个弱点。艾丽亚先是开始与大老鼠王沟通，她以巧妙的语言说服大老鼠王，表示蛇王一直在背后挑拨离间，试图夺取他的领土。同时，她又暗中与蛇王沟通，声称大老鼠王正在策划一场毁灭性的袭击。这样一来，她成功地制造了一场两大邪恶统治者之间的矛盾。不久之后，大老鼠王和蛇王因为艾丽亚的巧妙计谋而开始爆发激烈的争执。他们彼此指责对方背叛，情势迅速升温。艾丽亚看到机会，趁乱躲入森林深处，远离这场争端。在她离开的同时，大老鼠王和蛇王已经忽略了对她的追逐，转而将注意力集中在对方身上。他们展开一场激烈的战斗，震动整个森林。最终，由于互相攻击，两位邪恶统治者同归于尽。 当战斗结束，艾丽亚再次现身。她用智慧和勇气成功地引诱大老鼠王和蛇王互相攻击，让森林重新恢复平静。她的智慧和果断不仅保护了自己，还拯救了整个森林的和平。从此以后，艾丽亚成为了森林的守护者，她的故事被传颂着，作为勇气和智慧的象征。